Alrighty guys, just doing an install today on a 79 series Land Cruiser. This is the 2024 model, so it's got some of the nicer features the older ones don't. As you can see, they upgraded the factory unit a little bit. This one actually has Apple CarPlay compatibility on it. The big features it still doesn't have over the unit we're putting in today though include the capability to download Android applications, use offline maps, watch movies. It has a high quality display and touchscreen. Not to mention the upgradability. With ours you can add all sorts of things like dash cams, tyre pressure monitoring, caravan cameras, DAB radio. But yeah, I'll get right into it and start removing that fascia. So just took this out into better light. As you can see, that's the old fascia on the right, and here's the new one that comes with the unit. We're now going to want to transfer over that hazard switch and the clock. So the way we're going to do that is on this one here, you just want to turn it over so it's face down. And you'll see there's a couple 10mm screws there. So there's that one there, that one there, and that one there. You want to go ahead and unscrew those. So I'll just cut back once I've done that. Once you've taken out those screws, you should have this piece here, which just has the hazard switch and the clock on it. This can essentially just be transferred straight over this, just in reverse. You just want to put it in through the back, and you want to screw it in. So I'll show you how to do that now. A unit here lying face down. You just want to grab this, place it just like it was on the other one, and then you want to put the screws back in. So there's one there, one there, one there, just the same as before, and then it should be all fitted. So now that you've got that screwed in, it should look something like this. You've got the Vhedia unit here, you've got the hazard switch, and you've got the clock in there, like so.